How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 64 Impala SS, done a gorgeous show quality, brilliant red metallic, very nice car. Did a nice custom cowl hood on it. So all the grill, the headlight bezels have all look like brand new. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. All the side trims, excellent shape. Tell you, that's a long quarter panel to make flat and slick. Nice set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. So all the deck lid trims all been replaced, taillights, rear bumper's been re-chromed. Got the dual mirrors. Got a nice mild 454 in it, aluminum intake and Holly. It's got front disc brakes, it's got power steering. Nice heavy duty aluminum radiator, electric fans, all March serpentine pulley kit. Got a nice custom gray and black interior. It's all leather. So all the jams, everything in this car is very nice. Updated with an IDIDIT tilt steering column, billet wheel. The headliner's real nice and tight in the car. Got the original center console. They did a Hurst shifter in it. It's got a 3-speed turbo 350 trans in it, automatic. All the trunks all upholstered to match. Very nice. Got an amp and kicker set up in it. It's got a hidden stereo with remote in the glove box, AM, FM, CD. Dash, nice padded dash, all in excellent shape. No cracks or nothing in it. Just a very cool car. Thing fires right up. Got nice like factory headers and the dual flow masters all the way out the back. Hard to see the taillights with the sun shining on them. I'll tell you, it's just a super cool car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. So it's absolute gorgeous color on that car. Have a great day, folks.